Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still caught in the range, still caught in the chop. A lot of the same old stuff here. Resistance still goes all the way up to 27,480, and as I highlighted before, and it's still my view, we have no reason at the moment to focus on a more directly bullish scenario because the trend is still down. And without breaking above our resistance range here on the chart in 5 waves, we cannot confirm something more bullish. However, I will take a more bullish wave count much more seriously if the price breaks above 27,480. It's just not there from a probabilistic point of view. If we assess probabilities, it's just not the most likely scenario. And if we break above that resistance level, then it could take us into the maybe low 29K region, before it will then come down and retest a support area. So what I mean is, at the moment, the focus is on, okay, this is a wave 2, and we come down, make a new low, all right? But if we can get 5 waves up, it would take it probably into the 29K region, as I said, and then we will get our support area somewhere here. And then we have a trade setup, and then we have also decent probabilities for a reliable trade setup that could make the price move into the 40K region. Until then, there's no need to, let's say, hope for that or whatever, because the price action just doesn't make it at the moment very likely. Instead, we are caught in this wave 2 correction, lots of overlapping price action. Just that in itself shows us that something corrective is going on, at least with high likelihood. It's all probabilities. It's all probabilities. Of course, the market can surprise, and honestly, there's nothing wrong with letting the market surprise us. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just all about being prepared, right, and knowing what to watch out for, and having let's say a plan in place for a situation in which the market surprises. Because if it surprises and we get 5 waves up, followed by a 3-wave pullback, then at least we can adjust and we can wait for the next decent pullback setup that will send us higher. So again, we can only really focus on what's in front of us. We can only really trade what's in front of us, as always. And there are infinite possibilities. And when one of these possibilities becomes highly probable, we'll bring it onto the chart. And in search for a more ideal trade setup. At the moment, this is a resistance area. We had several of these on the charts most recently. I do take them off when they're not relevant anymore, because otherwise they'll just mess up the chart, really. You get too many boxes on the chart. But this is the next one. Let's see if it holds as well. And let's see if it will send the price down lower here. This is also a target area for this wave 2. And we moved into the target area, and now it's all about waiting for reaction. You can see that the price increase is certainly slowing down, and it has been slowing down since the price has moved into this region, made a new local high yesterday, actually late yesterday, but very, very barely managed to make a new high. It's also a 3-wave move up, so I consider it already part of this ending diagonal here in the C wave. And you can just see it's struggling. This first move up was quite strong, less strong, less strong. And that just adds up, and it just confirms the perspective that this here could be a potential turning point, right? And the 3rd wave breakdown could maybe occur next week. A break below the trend line. I mean, we haven't got enough touch points really for a highly reliable trend line, but it's a parallel price channel, and a break below the trend line could be a first signal that things are starting to turn to the downside. A break below the B wave low at 26,214 will be another signal that things are starting to turn down. And a break below the X wave low at 25,773 would be another strong indication that we have started a 3rd wave breakdown. So we need to be patient. I guess we won't see much movement today, probably not much tomorrow morning. It will be late on Sunday that we start to see significant movement, like last week. End of last week, we had on Sunday, sort of afternoon, UTC time zone, we had some volatility more on the altcoin, talking about the altcoin sector. the altcoins were already showing us that Bitcoin is going to come down. Yeah, the altcoins were dropping before, and then we had the drop on the Bitcoin chart. And yeah, it typically starts to pick up on Sunday again, late on Sunday. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, as a channel member, you get access to our weekly live stream. We've got the next one tomorrow. Check that out if you're interested. It's always educational. We also cover requests that we've collected throughout the week. Then you can access a lot of educational content on Discord and Telegram, join the chat rooms, and as a gold member, you get additional market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.